So the potatoes she did in the Instapot, which if you haven't done potatoes, have you guys all done potatoes in the Instapot? Oh, it's so
5
easy.
minutes.
5 minutes,
It takes
huh?
5 minutes. So I diced them. They're, I mean, it's like
Yep.
about an inch, and, but I'm not that particular. So I diced them up, put them in my little strainer basket. So it's a little steamer basket. 1 cup of water on the bottom of the Instapot. That goes in your steamer basket. Put it on manual for 5 minutes.
Okay.
And it'll build pressure. So it actually takes longer than the 5 minutes.
It's a quick release afterwards too, isn't
I was
it?
just going to ask if
So, and another way, if you do the traditional potato salad with the eggs, take your eggs, your raw, not your raw eggs, but eggs in the shell, nestle those in that steamer basket, like 4 or 5 of them. They will cook the exact same time as the eggs, and you have hard-boiled eggs at the end also.
With the potatoes.
With the,
Wow.
Rinse them off because you're putting them in the
Great,
potatoes.
great.
Yeah.
Wow, that makes sounds
It
easy.
is. It's the best way to make, and the hard-boiled eggs in the Instapot are the best.
Oh.
They peel.
Yeah,
and they're done.
it's so easy to peel them.
My sister
Yeah, there's
calls
also
them
the
magic eggs.
555.
They're not magic. I still had to work.
They still come out with a
Yeah,
peel
they
on.
still come out.